What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm just going to go over another sale with you that I had from this week. It's not the absolute best sale. It's not the absolute worst sale, but it is a sale. We're going to talk about it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any questions. Let me know, would you have bought this? Would you not have bought this? And your thoughts on like the decision-making process and how that, and how you would handle it. So let's look here at what we sold, and I'll show you the picture of what it actually was in a moment. But this is from Inventory Lab, which, by the way, is raising their price from $50 to $70 a month. So if you have iLab, be aware of that. But it is a Calvin Klein men's microfiber boxer briefs 4-pack. So basically, it's Calvin Klein underwear, right? Here's the ASIN we're going to look at. Here's how much I paid for it. Okay, so I paid $25 for it right there. Here's what I sold it for, $48.23. Then here's the fees and the buy cost. Buy cost was $25. I bought it for $25 from TJ Maxx, and sold on the 18th of August and shipped on the 22nd. So the buy cost was $25. The referral fee from Amazon was $8.20, and the fulfillment fee was $4.62. So FBA does have a pretty big fee, right? So you're talking $8, $12, almost $13 to handle this. So after all that, $37.82 is what I'm left with. So you get your income, $48.23 minus $37.82 from the fees, total $10.41. And this here's the tax that Amazon collected and paid to whatever state that it was at. So, yep, that's it. Total fees $12.82, buy cost $25, profit 21%, ROI 41, almost 42%. My ROI, I like to keep it 40%. In other words, in like simple terms, 40% ROI would look like this. You buy something for $10, you profit $4 from it. You're 40% back on your investment. So I like to keep it at 40. I'll go low sometimes, 20, 30%, depending on if something's not selling or like if it's a fast seller. So essentially here, we spent $25 on this item and we profited $10.41. Okay, now let's actually look at the item here. Let's bring this over. All right, so let's look at the item. I've got the size already picked out, a large, and this is what it is. They come in like a box, a 4-pack, and it was this specific color. I actually picked these up. I actually had a video, one of my TJ Maxx sourcing videos. I actually picked these up. So they sold. They were originally listed for like 50 something when I picked them up, I believe, or maybe a little bit more. I sold them for 48, and then here we are a couple days later, a couple weeks later, the price goes up. So whatever. If I would have sold them right now, that would have made $13.10 instead of the $10.40 that I made. But I've got my auto pricer set to match the buy box and not go below a certain threshold and stuff like that. There's one left. So yeah, let's see. Calvin Klein, there's all kinds of different colors. Let's look at the keeper graph here. Let's see. I picked them up on the 18th is when I sent them in. So I probably picked them up sometime around in here. So it looks like when I picked them up, even maybe they were listed for like 45, right? So I must have seen them and thought, I could be able to sell these for a little more because they're 48, 48, 48, 57. Somebody's buying it for 57. And then back here, back in June, they were actually listed for 60. People were buying them for 60. So look at this, 80. So somebody got the idea from this point where people were buying them to drop it all the way down to this point, right? So somebody said, they're selling for 80. I know what I'll do. I'll sell them for 60. And instead of them selling theirs for 60 real quick and then going back up to 80, these next people were like, oh, I know what I'll do. This probably sold out, and then somebody relisted it for 70, and then somebody was like, hey, I got an idea. Let's sell it for 60. Let's sell it $10 less. And then it was at that price for a little while, and then somebody said, hey, I know what I'll do. I'm not going to match that. I'm going to sell it for 45. So it went from 80 to 70 to 60 down to 45, and then it just kept dropping, right? Oh, I don't know what I'll do. I'll sell it for 38. Yeah, I mean, everybody's making money here at 60. People are making money here at 45, but I'm going to drop it. Hate it when people do that. That's what we call the race to the bottom. Luckily, though, this is sort of leveled out in the 40 to 50 range right here, all the way up until where it raised. And I would have held out, right? Like, these didn't sell right away because I held out to get that minimum threshold of a price. And I ended up making like almost $11 off of them. So that's pretty good there. If you ask me, spend 25 and make 10, I would do that all day. So yeah, that's what it was. That was a sale from the week. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in reselling online, mostly via Amazon FBA, doing retail arbitrage. Like the video, leave a comment, right? I appreciate the community so far. The channel's come a long way. I've had this channel for about, I don't know, 5 years or so. I was doing like eBay and stuff like that, and then I stopped posting anything for years, like 2 or 3 years, and then I started this January, and the amount of subscribers that I've gotten has been encouraging, especially people saying, you know, they've been helped and stuff like that. That's really the goal here, so I really like that. Yeah, I appreciate it, and go out there and hustle, and make sure you leave your comments down below. Would you have picked this up? Would you not have picked this up? And until next time, I'll catch you all later.